It's funny how the
Use the spoons. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Pavo. We're gonna make a nice cocktail for Michael. You guys know Michael.
Stop!
So we're gonna take some nice chili sauce. This brand right here will do just right.
Fucking thing on.
What you want to do is want to be a little generous, you know? You can never be too sweet. Pour that right. So just pour that right in there. Stir it around a bit. Now we're gonna add some of this. Jen,
Some golden tequila.
what this is.
Golden tequila. Yeah,
Very
yeah,
important. It's very important.
Oh, this shit is gonna get fucking done, man.
It's okay. It's okay.
I didn't have
It's not us that's
monetization
making it. We got
Some of the Doritos.
nice crunch. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna soften up. Don't worry. Now we gotta stir that very nicely. Hi guys.
That one's better.
Wanna sub to my channel?
Oh, did you get that?
It's Where's the other one?
There's no aftertaste.
What do you want? What do you want?
There's no aftertaste. Go try it.
What is this?
No idea.
You know what this is. So we're gonna be a little generous with this. Flip the first line you see right there. You see that line right there?
Yep.
Okay. Drink it right in there.
Hell yeah.
No aftertaste.
Crashing the
This
party
is gonna
with Pavo.
I like that.
This is gonna be the Pavo cocktail. As you see, it has my signature pink color. Alright, now we're gonna take some of this peach. Totally okay. God, I really feel bad for Michael.
Oh shit.
Now we're gonna fill up to the same amount right there. Just like that.
Yeah, boy.
Fill it up right there.
This is the end, man.
Come here.
Now we're just gonna pretend like that
I think that's all. It's all. It's a little bit.
Is there any more?
What is that, dude?
Is there any ginger ale we can use?
Dude.
Let me take some of that. So
Yes. So.
Alright, so we're gonna fill it up to the same amount. Ah! We're gonna fill it up to the same amount right
That's
there.
enough. So
there.
yeah. No, not yet.
Dude, how is he gonna drink that? He's not gonna drink that.
Yes, he will. We're gonna make him.
We gotta put it in the smaller glass.
It's like a mix of cranberry
What
Yeah,
is it? What is? Actually, what is
It's
it?
vodka. Yeah, and tequila. And that's it.
Shout out Jan right here. He's a homie.
Yeah, okay. It's a homie.
So yeah, and we're okay. We're gonna add like a generous amount.
I'm gonna
2
put
cups of cranberry.
private.
I think it's hot, but that's because I think we're all here.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
because
so
Jan's
just a
here.
little taste right here.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
No, chill.
Michael, I ain't gonna see none. We need some nice umbrellas. You gotta make it look like we tried.
Yo, put some lime. Lemon. Yeah.
You gotta make it do it with some salt.
Yo.
Right. What do we got?
Welcome to the bar.
Salty, yo.
Blame it on the Henny, blame it on the goose. Got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the
Again, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap.
I feel like Michael's not gonna hang out with us again.
While I'm on my get lit, while I'm drinking Bud Light. Can you get it when you
No,
miss
it's
it?
onion.
Whiskey,
It's
drinking
garlic.
champagne.
Right there.
Hey, baby, do it that way. Do you do that? Do you take a break?
Oh, okay, no, we
I'm a
can
beast when I kill it on the beach like it's cities on the beach like it's Malibu. Take it to the California.
Oh, no, there's no juice.
We can California kill like we on it. Ice it up, get it on the floor, get it mic'd up. I put it down like this 24/7. Let me have the fucking get it. Seagram 7 8.
There's this pandemic going on. You wanna make sure. I was thinking we should have some spaghetti.
Okay, chill.
Now, guys, don't forget to refrigerate when you're done.
Like my name is JoJo, like I'm
Be
really
careful,
on
be
these
careful,
shots, and it's so cold. You don't even know, yo. Damn, I can get it so cold like it's fro, yo. Yeah, that's my flow, yo. Get it. Don't if you want it when you see it when I spit it. Yeah, it's like a hit it with a gold, like I'm drinking on my vodka like a shit. it's kinda cold, but I'm on the shit. Yeah, take a
Few
rainy day,
minutes.
you can sing it
Should be
to
good to
Eddie,
go.
cause you know it when I'm
Now we
playing,
just
when
gotta
I'm
wait for
on
Michael
this,
to
baby,
pull up.
you can feel this.
Hopefully
When
he'll
I'm
drink
scream
it.
it out, baby, can you hear this?
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Have a video.
Alright guys, well,
baby, let me buy you a drink. That's how we get go. Baby, let me hear before I let go. Like,
Yeah, we will.
got you in the zone. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol.
Don't take a lot of it. Don't take a lot of it.
Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the get top shelf, like you gon' ace of spades. Take your clothes off, baby, we can play charades. If you spit it when you hit me, when you get it, when you hit it, I don't know what to say.
Michael, come on. Come on, bro.
You see what you like, seek it from afar. You can order up, baby.
And mostly like a mix of like the water.
yeah, it's something like
The juice.
I'll mix myself for when it's ready. Sorry.
You gotta get it. No.
Like a little bit. Like a little, yeah.